welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog from the great sunshine state of Florida. Guys, you see it? Look what I'm in. Not your dreams, but nightmares. This is the new 2021 Ford Jack Roush Nightmare Edition. And if this is your first time checking out the channel or the vlog, definitely hit that subscribe button down below, the bell icon, ding, for future uploads. Like, share, and comment on the videos. As I said, gonna be a lot of racing come next year, a lot of content. So sit back, get your popcorn, and enjoy the ride with Mission Flyer next year. Now, onto the video. All right, guys, this is the 2021 Roush Nightmare. This thing is a beast. Supercharged. Roush said this is the fastest production truck, 0 to 60, right from the factory. So you could see, not dreams, but nightmares. Jack Roush. Nightmare. So guys, this is the engine bay. Coyote with the Roush supercharger. And got a little bit more room for activities. So this is what the inside looks like. Seat. Standard Ford stuff. See, this one's brand new. I like the two-tone seats. Seem like they're ventilated for a race truck. Guys. Could you believe it, guys? I'm driving the fastest production truck right now. This is 650 horsepower and I'm driving in a truck. This thing, once it gets tuned and get done, this thing is really going to be a nightmare. Oh my goodness. I could just imagine, you know, boosted F150 was just this powerful. I can't even keep the camera from shaking. Do you guys hear all that power? Guys, for more videos coming on this nightmare truck and the build, definitely subscribe to the channel. Definitely subscribe to the channel. Wow. I don't even know what to say. It's just unreal. The seats fill you in, fit you, and the exhaust is a factory exhaust, so it sounds pretty mean already just from the factory. But there's a few stuff the owner is gonna go and change up a few stuff to make it even better. Wow, this is awesome. This is the stuff that dreams or nightmares are made of. And again, guys, thanks for watching the videos. And it just doesn't look pretty and fast, but it also tows.
I don't know what sleep is. I got a queen, she lit me to evening. She ripe like a peach and she snapped me to snippet. You well overdue for that link up in person. Text me to fall through a murder, she wrote it. Still up with courage, you're doing a service. Pull up to the crib, I'm equipped with the brush strokes. Cutthroat from the low, when no love goes. Women buddy.